Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we are talking about Best Car Safety Hammer. In an emergency on the road, every second truly matters. Having the right tool within reach can make a life-saving difference. Let's take a closer look at this compact but powerful device. Let's get started. The product we are focusing on is the EAFC Car Safety Hammer. EAFC designed this tool specifically for real-life emergencies, such as car accidents, fire, or jammed doors. When normal exits are blocked, the EAFC Car Safety Hammer gives you a fast and reliable way to escape your vehicle. One of the most important features is its 1-second window breaking ability. The EFC Car Safety Hammer is built with a heavy hammerhead that creates strong impact force. With minimal effort, it can shatter a car window and open an escape route immediately. This is extremely important in situations where time is critical and quick action is needed. The hammer also uses a tungsten steel firing pin. This material is known for its high hardness and durability. It can handle repeated use without bending or deforming. That means the EFC Car Safety Hammer stays reliable even under extreme pressure. You can trust it to perform when you need it most. Another key feature is the built-in seatbelt cutter. The EAFC Car Safety Hammer includes a U-shaped hidden blade that safely cuts through jammed seatbelts. The blade is designed in a way that keeps sharp edges protected. This helps prevent accidental finger injuries during use. In a stressful situation, this added safety design makes a big difference. The metal body construction is another strong advantage. In emergencies involving fire or high heat, plastic tools can melt or lose strength. The EFAC Car Safety Hammer is built with durable metal components that continue to function even at high temperatures. This ensures that the tool remains effective in some of the most dangerous conditions. Despite its powerful performance, the EAFC Car Safety Hammer is compact and easy to store inside your car. You can keep it in your glove box, door pocket, or center console, so it is always within reach. It takes up very little space, but offers huge peace of mind. Small tool, big protection. If you want to be prepared for unexpected road emergencies, the EFC Car Safety Hammer is definitely worth having in your vehicle. Check the price link in the description to learn more, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more practical safety products. Stay safe and see you in the next video.